Hi guys, magluluto po tayo ng steamed siomai. So, ang gagawin natin, we have chopped carrots,
Can I have you make a bed now?
chopped shrimp.
Can I have you make a bed, please?
Yeah, wait a minute. 1 egg. And then tayong onion, garlic, and spring onion. We're gonna use salt, pepper, rice vinegar. We have also soy sauce and oyster sauce, and we have ground turkey. We have wonton wrap.
Here's a big tin, Mommy.
Yeah.
It's
So watch out
perfect.
my video.
It's perfect, Mommy.
Yeah.
Hello.
So yung no, that's fine. So yan yung ground turkey natin.
I'm saying hello to them, okay?
Okay, say hello.
I said it already.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Mommy, let me do this. Can I mix it, please? This is that meat.
So ayan.
This is not honey.
So i-add lang na natin yung
This is honey. That.
i-add lang natin yung ating
Can I mix it?
okay. No, not that one.
Why?
Because onion. No. They cannot see you, sweetie.
You can mix it.
Okay, just me. Okay, you will add the, what do you call this?
What?
That
This?
one. Yes, please. Thank you.
Oh.
So just add the shrimp. You want to crack the egg? Put it here.
Okay, but you can't. You open it and
And then crack it. Ooh. Good job. Now add the egg.
You're welcome, Mommy.
So i-mix mo lang yun.
After you mix, then I
Yeah,
can
this-
mix. After you,
Just have to work with this other one.
yes, with the meat. Yes, I can do it. After you do the meat, then can I do it?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mommy.
Okay, you cover it, the camera.
Here you go.
So after all of that you add all the vegetable that we need, we're gonna put some black pepper.
Yes. I'm gonna mix the black pepper.
1 teaspoon of soy sauce.
You mix the soy sauce, okay?
Thank you. A little bit of oyster sauce. Probably 1 teaspoon also. Then after that, add a little bit of
Oh yeah.
rice vinegar.
It smells good. It says vinegar.
Yeah.
It says good.
It smells good.
Let me
And
put it.
then just pinch of salt. Okay, mommy will do that. Then mix it all.
Are you done it with the meat?
Yeah, I have to mix it really good. There are clumps in there. So ayan guys, na ano na natin lahat yung ating our batter. Ito na yung na-mix na natin
I
lahat.
will mix, Mommy.
We mix it all. Now we are going to put it aside. And this one. We're gonna put some of to mix in here. We're gonna separate that.
I want to make this.
What we're gonna do is, wait a minute, listen. We're gonna put the cream cheese. We have like one third of the cream cheese. We just put that on the top.
Now mix it.
Yeah, we're gonna mix it.
Taking
Because that one, because that has the cream cheese, we are going to fry that. And then this one, we're gonna go to steam that one. So what we're gonna do is may water tayo dito. So we're just gonna use the water. So what we're gonna do right now is to wrap them. So this one. So Michelle is doing that. Oh.
It's making me hot.
I know, sweetie.
It's hard, Mommy. It's hard for me.
Okay, we're gonna just put that aside for now.
How about you do it?
So
I will do these, okay?
She definitely like to help. So I let her do it to help. That way she'll learn. So we put aside the one has the cream cheese, and we're gonna wrap that later. Now here we're gonna do is, wait a minute, Michelle, I'm gonna show them how to do it.
Okay.
Okay?
How
You
how
put
about
that
me?
in the top, and you just have to put it like that, because we don't need to close that. We're just gonna do it like this one.
That's
Now
perfect.
press it like that. So that's how we're gonna do it, and then we're gonna steam it.
It's like a cup.
Yeah, it's like a cup.
Go, go, go. It's like a cup. Go, 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 go.
Okay, Michelle is gonna do hers.
Miss Father.
There's yours. So what you're gonna do? Put it in the middle. Oh, you put some water in the side. I should wait. Should put the camera in here. So ayan, inaano na namin. Ang kulit ng kasama ko magano. So ganun lang. Then I put that like that, and then it's easier to put that like that too. Then you put your meat in the middle. I'll go get
I need some. This one is for you. See? This one is for you. This one is for you.
Yeah.
And this one is for
So
Daddy.
ayan. Ano na natin.
Mom, I don't know how to do it.
It's okay, sweetie. No, just leave it. Because your hands are small. You put them together. Take that. No, this one. Up. Up. Yeah. And then you press them together. So, ayan. Great job, Michelle. You did a great job. That's good. Show them. Show them what you did. Upper. There we go. Good job.
One more in the middle.
Yeah, you did a good job.
I'll put yours in here.
Yeah. Then after all we wrap this one, we're gonna steam it.
You.
No, that one is broke, I think. We should use the other one.
Okay. Mom, use the water. You use the water. I need it here.
Shut up.
You don't have water.
Oh no. I just pressed it a little bit.
I just put a little bit of water. So, I just put a little bit
So
of
there we
water.
go.
That's it.
Your water should be in the side, not in the middle.
But Mom, I want it super sticky so it can stick in a bowl.
No. The only thing you have to be need to be stuck in the side.
I need it here. You move it, so I need it here.
So yan. So yan guys, i-wrap na namin ito lahat, then we'll be back when we cook them. So ayan, na ano ko na yung lahat ng siomai natin. Nabalot ko na. So we are going here. I put some This is what we use for the coffee filter. So now that's we're gonna use to put that down in our steamer, and then we just have to. I put already water in there to boil, so it's ready when we are ready in here. So we just have to fill up in here, just like that. So this is what we called siomai. So, ano lang natin to dito. Kunti lang yung ginawa natin kasi naman, tayo-tayo lang naman. So, next time we're gonna make more and put it in the freezer. But right now, we're just gonna make it to show you guys how I made it and what the ingredients. Of course, we have Michelle when we started. Alright, now we're just putting like that. This is bamboo steamer. So, the wok is, I put water in there so we can steam the siomai we have. So we're just gonna put a little bit of a space for them. So there we go, guys. We'll come back with you when this is cooked already. So we're just gonna steam this. We're gonna put this in our cooking pot. Ayan, guys. Medyo nag-i-steam na yung aking stuff. So we're just gonna put that on the top. So you can see we're gonna make sure that everything has a steam. And of course, the wrapper that I use it the one that we can buy in Walmart, of course. So it's easier for us to make this video, and then we just have to put this lid. So we'll be back on this when it's done to cook. We're gonna cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes to make sure that everything is cooked. This is the one we're gonna fry it. So now this is quite different because we're gonna seal them. So I put some water in the side, just like that. Then I put some meat on the middle, and then you're just gonna seal them together. Okay, to make sure that it's sealed. So there you go. That's how we do it, and we're gonna make it again. That one I put it a lot of meat. That's fine. Gonna do it again. Try the other one. And this one is not really like fancy because we're just gonna seal them. There's another one. This one is so simple. Put some meat, put some water on this side, and you put them together, as you can see. And then you press them this side. Then the other side, you press them. So there you go, guys. We're gonna do it another one, and then I will do it without the video, so it's not gonna be boring. Put it in the middle. Put them together, and the side. Okay, press them. Other side. Press them. Make sure that's sealed. Ayan. So we have two that I made. So I'll be back, everyone, when I finish it all to wrap. So there we go. So ayan, guys, nagpapainit na ako ng mantika dito. There's the oil, there's the steamer, and we're gonna make the fried rice today. So I have frozen mixed vegetable in here. We're gonna use that. And we're gonna need a lot of garlic. So there's the garlic, there's our pan. So our oil is heated up, and there it is, guys. Yan, everyone, maglalagay na ako dito ng ano. Lalagay tayo ng butter para sa fried rice. Yan, habang nagluluto yan, ilalagay natin yung ating fried na. Ate lang ilalagay lang yan para hindi siya masyadong dumikit. Then the other one. The other one. So I'm gonna put 3 for now, and then we'll continue it later. So now there it is. We're gonna add our garlic. We cook as we go. So we just let our garlic to be light brown. Then we're gonna add our vegetable. add your vegetable. That's frozen. It's gonna take time. Make that crispy. Ayan, habang nagluluto yung gulay natin. Okay, sweetie, mom is cooking now. Gutom na daw siya, uy. So, ayan, you can see brown na siya. That is so crunchy. So, this one is ready. We're gonna add another one. Add your shrimp or your meat choices. So, I'm gonna use the leftover shrimp that I have. Shrimp natin, baliktarin ko muna ito kasi masusunog na siya. So, ngayon, we're gonna need our egg. You can see I have egg in here. Just have to crack that. Make sure there's no shell. And then you just have to mix it. And I'm gonna put pepper, salt, as you can see, I cooked the egg in the middle because I want the egg to see that. I want to see the egg. I don't want to mix the egg into it. So now that the egg is cooked, now I can mix them together. See? You don't have to cook it separately. There's the challenge. So now I have the leftover rice. So the leftover rice, we just put it like that. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of water. So you just do that in the rice. And then you mix them together. Okay. Then you mix them together. And guys, sobrang ano na, mabango. I put a little bit more of black pepper. Let's see that. Put 5 spice, just a little bit of 5 spice. Then you just mix it. Bango. Ang bango-bango. So ayan ang ating fried rice. We're just gonna wait this. Let it mix, but this is really good already. So ayan, I'm going to finish my cooking and I'll be back with you guys later. Ayan guys, ang ating siomai is luto na siya. Ayan, sobrang masarap na siya. So transfer lang natin sa dito. You can see. Very fragile. Very fragile. Ayan. Okay guys, lipat ko lang siya dito. Babalik ako. And guys, ating there is done our fried rice. And we have the siomai here and the sauce with chili, fresh chili. And there we are. So yummy. We're gonna enjoy our dinner tonight. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you guys likes our video. Please like, subscribe, and share our video. And also press the bell button in there so you guys can have the updates for our new video. Hope you like it. Bye everyone.